Did you know that a simple 5-minute procedure can decide whether your pigs will make you more money or leave you with huge losses? Yes, I'm talking about castration. Many new farmers ignore it, but trust me, this is one of the most important things you must learn if you want healthy pigs and quality pork. In this video, I'll break down why pig castration is done, the best age to castrate pigs, tools you need, step-by-step how to do it safely, aftercare and mistakes to avoid. So, if you want to grow your pig farm the smart way, stay tuned till the end. What is castration? Castration simply means removing the testicles of young male pigs, also called boars. After this process, the boar becomes what we call a barrow. Why is this done? Simple: to prevent problems in the future. Why is castration important? There are 4 main reasons pig farmers castrate their boars. 1. Better pork. Quality. Uncastrated male pigs develop what farmers call boar taint, a strong, unpleasant smell and taste in the meat. This makes the pork difficult to sell because customers don't like it. 2. Easier management. Boars that are not castrated can become aggressive. They fight, injure each other, and even break farm structures. Castrated pigs are calmer and easier to handle. 3. Controlled breeding. If you don't castrate, male pigs may mate with sows anytime, even their own mothers or sisters. This leads to inbreeding, weak piglets, and financial loss. 4. Faster growth and more profit. Barrows, castrated males, often focus their energy on eating and growing, not chasing females. This means better weight gain and more money when selling best age to castrate. The best age to castrate piglets is between 2 and 4 weeks old. At this age, the piglet is still small and easy to handle. The bleeding is less. The healing is very fast. If you wait until the pig is older than 2 months, the procedure becomes more stressful and risky. So, always aim for early castration. Tools you need. To do pig castration the right way, you need the following tools: sharp scalpel or surgical blade, sterile gloves, disinfectant like iodine, clean towel or cloth thread, or absorbable suture for closing if needed, painkiller or local anesthetic. Recommended. Remember, cleanliness is everything. Dirty tools can cause infections that may kill your piglets. Step-by-step how to castrate. Now let's go step-by-step. Step 1. Prepare the environment. Make sure the pen or working area is clean. Wash your hands and wear gloves. Step 2. Hold the piglet firmly. Place the piglet on its back between your legs, or have someone hold it tightly so it doesn't move. Step 3. Clean the area. Apply iodine or antiseptic around the scrotum to reduce infection risk. Step 4. Make the cut. Using a clean blade, make a small cut on each side of the scrotum. Do not cut both testicles in one line. It heals faster if you separate the cuts. Step 5. Remove the testicles. Gently press out the testicle and pull it slightly. Cut the cord cleanly. Some farmers tie the cord with a thread before cutting to reduce bleeding. Step 6. Disinfect again. Apply iodine or antiseptic to the wound. Step 7. Release the piglet. Put it back with the mother or in a warm, clean pen. Aftercare. After castration, your work is not finished. Here's what to do. Keep piglets in a clean, dry, and warm pen. Watch them for at least 3 days for signs of swelling, bleeding, or infection. If you see pus, fever, or if the piglet is not eating, call a veterinarian immediately. Provide good feed and plenty of clean water for fast recovery. Common mistakes to avoid. Many beginners make mistakes that cost them piglets. Don't be one of them. Using dirty tools causes deadly infections. Castrating too late makes the procedure painful and risky. Cutting too deep damages other organs. Not controlling bleeding. Piglets can bleed to death. Ignoring aftercare leads to loss of animals. Remember, it's better to do it clean and early than to risk losing your pigs. Alternatives to surgical castration. In some countries, farmers use injection methods like immunocastration, where a vaccine stops the pig from producing hormones that cause boar taint. However, in many parts of Africa and Asia, the traditional surgical castration is still the most common because it is cheap, simple, and effective. Benefits. You will see. If you castrate your pigs properly, here are the results you'll enjoy. Pigs grow faster and bigger. No fighting or aggression in your pens. Pork tastes better, no bad smell. Higher sales and better profit. That's why experienced farmers never skip this step. Final advice. To sum it up, castration is simple, but it must be done carefully. The best age is 2 to 4 weeks. Always use clean tools and antiseptic. Watch your pigs after castration to make sure they recover well. If you're new, don't be shy to ask a vet to teach you the first time. With practice, you'll master it. So, farmer friends, now you know why castration is one of the most important steps in pig farming. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with other farmers, and don't forget to subscribe for more farming tips every week. Tell me in the comments, at what age do you castrate your piglets on your farm? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.